Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, April the 30th, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Yes, Jigsaw Sudoku, and this will be number 8458. 8458. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve the puzzle. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here's single box, there's single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here only one dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 1, the 2, and the 3. Let me see. No triple boxes. How about quarter boxes then? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4 then. Quarter box. Let me scan. No quarter boxes. Well, not true. We have here a quarter box. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have the S or the Z construction. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shapes, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's the 1 or a 2 here. Well, it can be a 2. We have a 2 here. So this box should be a 1. Definitely 1 is connected with that box, should be so 1. So 1 digit left in this dual box for number 2. Alright. Here we have another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Do we have more? No. Well, here another one. 3 S or Z constructions. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Okay, do we have more of this kind of shapes? Here, another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here only 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Makes them 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started. Filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not 2 could be here or there. It's not wise to place the 2 there. If I place the 2 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. But we already have a 2 here in the same area. So not a solution to place the 2 there. The only place left of 2 is supposed to be there. Alright. Then, let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be here. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left. For numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box should be so 4 and 5. Alright. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be supposed to be here. Is connected with that box should be so 1. This box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 2 anymore. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes around the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2 anymore. If I place 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we see another 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Okay. Then let me see. Well. Come on. Ay. Let me think. Let me think. 4, 5. Yeah. No 2. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. It's not helping me. This box cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3 or a 5. You have a double 3 there, double 5 there. So it should be the 1 or a 4. 1 and 4 is connected with that box, 1 or a 4. Okay. Well, still not helping me. 1, 2, 3, or 5 here. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. We have a 1 in the same area. Can be 2 and a 4. So 2 numbers left. The 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. This box can be also 1 and a 2 and a 4. So 2 numbers left. 3 and a 5. Okay. Interesting. That means that this box should be a 1 then, because it can be 2, can be 3 or a 5. We have a double 3 there, double 5 there, and cannot be a 4. We have a 4 in the same area. Yeah, definitely a 1. This box should be a 1. Okay, now these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there then. Alright, well, here can be 1. We already have a 1 here. So not the solution, place the 1 there. Only place level 1 should be here then. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. Okay. Then Yeah. I'm thinking. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have 1 now, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box should be so 1. These 2 boxes surround 1 can be 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then, yeah. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box, should be so 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 2. I overlooked this 2. We already have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright, so I've eliminated here the 4. Because these 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4. And this Z construction should be here. Is connected with that box should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. I think this box should be a 4. Because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay. Then, let me see. This box can be 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is connected with that box, so 3 and 5. Here also 1 box left in this Z construction for numbers 3 and 5. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5 again. 3 and 5. That means that those 2 boxes can be 3 or a 5. You have a double 3 there. Double 5 there. So only 2 places left on the 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box cannot be 3 or a 5. We have a double 3 there, double 5 there. So the 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. Alright. Let me think. 1 need a 3, need a 5. Yeah, this box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. And I need a 3. 3 could be everywhere, okay. I need to wait here. 3 and a 5. 1, 2. Yeah, this box can be 1, can be 2, can be 4. So also 3 and the 5 are left. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. You have a double 5 there. Yeah, definitely a 4. This box can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. Well, we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. I think, wait. Need a 2. Need a 5 here. 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4 here. Well, here can be 4. 4 could be here. This box can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 4, okay. Then. Well, these 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this S construction should be there. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay. 3 and 5. We have 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 3 and a 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and 5, we have 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and 4. We have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Then 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now. So this can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 and 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. And the 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Wow. Well. 4 stars. No. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than... no, it should be a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now. And have a great and fantastic Tuesday.